Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can buy Hostinger hosting and get a free domain name included. This is perfect if you are starting a blog, business site or any website in 2025. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you just need to visit on Hostinger. Once you come over here, I recommend using my link in the descriptions. It often gives you the best discount available. Once you are on the site, click on hosting in the top menu and just choose web hosting for most websites. So here you just need to click over here to the service and then find out your hosting. You can go with web hosting or you can choose any of them in under these hosting options. For the video we are going to go with the web hosting. Just click this one and you just need to choose the hosting plan right now. So if you scroll down here, you will find out a couple of options. So from that place, if you want the free domain, pick the premium one. So you can see their features here. We will get free domain over this plan, so we can go with this premium one or business one. The single one does not include a free domain, always remember this one. So now you just need to click on choose plan. Once you click over here, now you just need to go to the next page where it's called cart page. So here you can see we are purchasing this for 48 months. So here you can apply any coupon code if you have. Just click to the continue. Once you did, then here actually you will be in the page of hosting. So here now you just need to choose a long you want to sign up for 48-month plan. Usually gives you the biggest discount and includes the free domain for the first year. The longer the term, the lower the monthly price. Now next you will see option choose a free domain. Claim your free domain from that place. Let's go to the previous page and let's find out is it really or not. So here you can see get great news free domain plus this is done. So let's make sure that our website is first of all log out. Now I will click to the continue. Once I did, then they will ask us to register. So I will go to the login and I will log in the page, and then it will give us to that page where we can just provide our payment options. Just click to the continue, and once you did, you just need to pay your payment over that place. So next you will see an options to choose a free domain. Just click claim your free domain and type in the domain name you want. Make sure it's available. If not, try another name or extension until you find your like one. Then click add to cart. Then I already mentioned you just need to create your account, and once the payment goes through, you will get instant access to your hosting dashboard. From here you can install WordPress in one click, manage your website and start building, and that's it. Super easy. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions.